How to send gift message in Instagram. So if you want to send gift message in Instagram, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And then after opening your Instagram, you have to go to messages, which is on the upper right corner. And now you have to choose a chat that you would like to send a gift message. So here what you have to do is, on the bottom you will have a message bar. You can simply tap on the message bar and then you have to write something, and after writing, on the left side of the message bar you will have a search icon. You can simply tap on the search, and here you will have 4 options, and on the second option you will have a gift. So you can simply tap on the gift, and that's it. That's how you send a gift message on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.